Water table or sill pieces combined with flashing are an attractive way to finish off the top of a wainscot installation or cladding transition. They also provide runoff protection to the cultured stone product below. There are two installation methods to consider. If noggins have been installed to allow for unlimited spacing of brackets, you can use either method. If there are no noggins in place, you will have better results using Method 1. Method 1. Stone installed prior to water table. Using removable screws or nails, install a temporary wooden spacer strip to maintain a level space where the water table sill will be placed. Install cultured stone up to the spacer strip and complete the grouting step. Then remove the spacer strip and attach the brackets of 400mm centres using galvanised screws that penetrate the studs a minimum of 12mm. We recommend using Simpson Strong Tie A21 brackets or equivalent galvanised bracket rated to 25 kilos per lineal metre. If preferred, brackets may be installed prior to the application of the scratch coat. Run a bead of mortar on the top edge of the wainscot. Apply construction adhesive to the bottom of the brackets. Apply a setting bead of mortar to the back, then firmly press the water table sill into place. Align and level all pieces. When the mortar is thumbprint hard, remove any extruded mortar from the top of the water table or sill piece. Method 2. Water table installed prior to stone. The brackets are installed into noggins or studs at locations that allow for 2 brackets per stone. Brackets should fall near the end of each water table. Apply construction adhesive to the bottom of the brackets. Apply a setting bed of mortar to the back of the water table sill. Firmly press the water table into place. Finally, align and level all pieces. Grouting can be completed next or along with stone installation below the sill.